This woman wanna dey see here, so this girl, this dirty woman wanna dey see here, this Okpo Miliki, national manager of Ashawo. National manager of Ashawo, we don't do Ashawo for 32 years for Europe. Pikin, not be born. He don't useless himself. Na me want to put up her body. He don't useless himself. If they find another person, Pikin we want buy. Oh, you know what, I don't get a portion for inside. You with your members. And this Igbo man, children, I go buy for a face. And doctor, where they control your Facebook, if you all got Hulu, you are home. If wanna help me find person will get daughter picture, wanna send that for me. Make una send that for me. I don't check inside my Facebook this morning. I don't see a picture again. Who get a picture, daughter, where they control Facebook, everything, make una send that for me. Me no say na daughter they control. Daughter, if they put daughter for line, all of us go there for line. First Scandinavia, I don't appreciate daughter Mugume. If you get daughter number, bring them for me. Skate Navida, skate Navida, Scandinavia. Me appreciate daughter Gume. Ogun ga gbeli bi daughter you are. But who have you go to live video on Allah? So now someone can tell me this morning. The video will take cost a children for here. Any man waiting for outside, any woman waiting for outside, we go talk and say Atiti they cost people children. Ogun ga gbeli where you are. Ogun ga gbeli where you are. Ogun ga gbeli where you are. Iga ka well man. Ima ka well man. Ogun ga gbeli where you are. When you don't go me na watch Atiti, but ogun ga gbeli where you are. Why won't why do you move you because you not can wear now what time was again. So if you don't know working or you must win why no man or I will your banner, I won't wish to now. No, my patient doctor was said there go now. Ya da mo bog baby here. In here, can allow them to go to bad and short ministry name. But again, it does why. A day new year, this woman, or New Year, the night this woman called they cry for my ear, called they beg. He said, wait till you do me. And he not do me anything. He not do me anything. As it happen, I tell you now. Retire me now they talk to. He can't say he know how to talk. He can't say he know how to talk. He can't carry the matter, he can't the cost himself. Now I call the bulala. Now I can't tell and say, since you join the Tayemie, is Zaga, in all these 2 weeks before, I see 2 of the scatter. Any video we do today, we measure the Tayemie name, the Tayemie will come beat and you will come disgrace him. All of us saying. He say me not they do mercy, but in all these 2 weeks where you with the Tayemie scatter, people say for this I do Sabbath special. No, that's your ministry. Evil ministry, wait till they spoil married women for husband house. I want to destroy her now. I just send people. Any person will call your teeth up, will carry face comments. May they screenshot them. May they go to carry their, may they go to look their, may they go to brigand. All those women we don't condemn for Europe, all those are shallow as easy boy with their Atiti, they are to the bouquet. I want to drive the head house now. I want to drive the head house. This is man, Ogun, I will buy your children for your head. Or can I believe where you are? Ogun, I believe where you are. This is man. Those people where they look me so. If you not come across this video, this Igbo man won't say so yeah. A name, I don't forget the name. I will find a name. I'll call the measure a name. He married to one useless Okpo manager of Ashawo for Europe. This Okpo now be their manager of Igbiagia, Akuna. Now be their manager. We get their secretary, Suzuki now be their secretary. But I not go put that one. A national board, Okpaika, now be their national director, Okpaika, they are not going to measure this one name now. But the manager now want beat with the husband, with the members. Make you help me share this video, make it go viral. Make rich man and woman hands. These Igbo people wait there for the whole world. This woman will not see so. Now they don't cast and come up for our place. He say he know how to talk. He go through mat for we are not supposed to through mat. They can't cast and come up for our place. Now they call Osun for na Igbo land Osun. This Igbo man, if he carry this woman, can't greet you for us, make you drive them, they got them be Osun. This Igbo man won at the CSO. Won at the CSO. Now very useless man where they sleep with another man's wife. Very useless man where they sleep with another man's wife. For 15 years, now they sleep with another man's wife. The man not fit give belle, the Oyibo not fit give this manager of Ashawo belle. Why the Igbo man not fit give belle? Because it does more. When they carry a con Europe 12 years, now Morocco route to pass come. As they pass Morocco route, they can't carry belle. Now the one call give belle for Morocco. You know, say small pikin will not need to carry belle now. The pikin can't buy for inside belle. When the pikin buy for inside belle, as they call it the country where they call Paris, he can't go chop Aduro. As he chop Aduro for there, they can't see him. As he be, it's based on the, he can't say in the crease. As he say in the crease now, as they operate the whoop now, where they chop Aduro, now they say, since na crease person, he go crease forever. He go hear the crease forever. He don't crease finish for the whole Paris. Now social media they crease now. TikTok now they crease now. Facebook now they crease now. Now the crease now. This woman wanna see here so. This girl, not be whether na girl, whether na woman, we not gonna know the one we be again. Now half Osun now they call him. So this Igbo man wanna see here so. He called the two of them called they married this woman for 15 years. Two man, abomination for the whole nation. I never seen her since I was born. Two men go there for the same house, they sleep with one woman. All of people see him will not be saying a lie they talk. People witness her, people see her. You know what tell me saying a lie they talk? California, when kuna come, people they talk, they write for comment section so they talk lie. People they write for comment section society talk like California. Make una come. Make una come. They say me they talk like old generation prophet Atiti they talk like. Where all people see and say na 2 man for 15 years. He can't put 2 man for their house. Now this one can say they preach the word of devil to people. When I go the clap and follow one. They don't they come. When I carry the come, they say me they talk like. They say me they talk lie. They say me they talk lie. Beg. Me just talk lie for this one, my brother.
I greet you especially the great prophet Atiti one.
Your good morning. You are welcome.
Nothing do you. You know, say now people who don't know Iyore Ogionban, I go talk say you talk lie. You understand? Everybody knows say when he married that old man, that 90 years old man, okay, go there with him for the house, they knock him for the house too, no? That one I found out.
But they let them for conversation tell me they talk lie.
No, not be that one the person talk. He they tell you say make you rest. He say free that woman. She is untouchable and protected in Jesus' name. How she take they protected? How she take they protected? Person will be say girl husband married 90 years old man for us. Ovibo come there with him for us, see the fuck come for the same house.
Ovibo they give another woman for left for her side. If they give another woman belly for her side, you know if you give her belly.
I don't understand now. That kind of person I can be motivator to married women now. I can be motivator to single woman now. Person will be say don't get married to husband
for the same house. The same house. One die. Ovibo follow and go put her for inside belly grant. You know, see, huh? When I play the video for you, as we both for and go by the grant. One plan for you. One plan for now. One plan for now. Now you call that for my comment section so you they talk like over young boy. Over young boy, you with the right of comment section. Now life will buy you. So my country people, make with they go, make with the listing. And since I was born, I never see useless Igbo man. Now this one, now I think no say that they see useless Igbo man. When you know say woman get wife for house, you go wrong. He don't leave his wife for house. He don't leave his wife. This boy don't marry to 3 wives for inside Paris. He don't leave his women for house. Woman, when he get Oyibo for house, he can't go to stay for inside the house. So take this Igbo man with this woman go draw the Oyibo man, they'll go put them for lock and for toilet. They'll go lock and for toilet. So take the Oyibo come back. As the Oyibo back, this boy, see the video, when I show a video, when he see follow this woman, this useless manager of Ashawo for Europe. He see follow and go say mortuary.
If he escort and go cemetery, go do the. We see all of us here now. If follow and go the cemetery, they are two wear black and black. Imagine your own boyfriend when they fuck you for Iboma house. See go put sand for the Iboma body for grace. He follow you will be like this woman get mad. Even mad when she get in all day. So that shocked me. Woman married two husbands for the same house, two husbands.
This one I be woman, my country people. This kind of woman I want to say go advise person for the society, my country people. My people, make una share the video. We just the took left for the same trouser. This people man, any woman where don't born for her, the children go not born for her, or go not go buy them. If I go not go buy them, why not go buy them? Doctor, make una find picture doctor for me. We in person where they control YouTube and Facebook. Ogun God believe doctor Bobo kind. Doctor, you there for there, you they control the top, eat it up, it they cost your children. You know off the phone say, why are you doing so it's not good? Now your children want to the knacker for your head. I don't tell my people, my fans. Your TikTok made they follow every anybody when they call up for them, make they go to breed that picture for me for example their profile. Or New Year Day where you can't beg me. Now I want to go lay cost for their children plus you because you be their mother. They say you be their mumu Iyore. Since you be mumu Iyore, as I go the cost you, I go the cost there, I go the cost their yen, I go the cost their year. Since now you be their mother, I go the cost them. The children when they see born, I go lay cost upon them on New Year Day. What thing go happen for this time on New Year Day? People no go believe them for the world. I go tell you, so no, you they cost people children before. Now my you take stop to cost children people. I want scatter that useless evil Ashawo group. I want scatter that. More look for this person when person comes, so more listen to them. Person will come, so talk to us. Hello. One drop on. One drop on. Now they cry. They don't they cry for where they did. They don't they cry again at this early morning. Where we never start. Now we want you. He don't come again. He don't come again. Bring your face, come out. If you don't bring your face, I know carry. I know bring you come. Your mama now you come. Your mama now you come fight for. No, na question they ask. You don't greet me this morning.
Morning.
No morning, I over able me.
Like this.
And what?
We are major partner.
Every time me now. Ah, what ya me bog them big you ever didn't hear. You we boni am bog big here. A doctor no contribute am bog big here. Imi akuli ya la wa imegbene. Ni okay, mama. Kian zakpe.
We give you up your hand now.
Oh. Ini na we can no do tie boni we here abi. So, if you do no work in Orisi, no mercy for this one again. Imi was the way talawe. Since o meme we ki be Paris ni. Mi aka mu gbegbe moruku meme no ha. Now me they give people medicine. A sweet doctor of you we are hospital with Paris in you meme no. You sweet doctor ni me you know we a minister of one. Imi ave digestion le luwalusan. Imi ave digestion le luwalusan. Ya ka mu wa we bi diagbon o sa abo amwenwa lele me. Bi diagbon o sa abo na amwenwa lele me. Uwade o sa abo na vie benu wa enwe be wo we be kini alamu wa na ya wo wa yo ka tie boni bi o ogun ga gbeli bi gbo na ogun ga gbeli bi toto e je ni ye kan mo bogbo wa ya abi na hu o do fi eni je do fi eni ju e
Alpha bro.
Oh, you welcome.
You not get work.
I not get work. I not get work. I don't get work. Come give me work. Come find work for me. Why you cut on? Come again. Come again. Send request again. You dey cry. You look me no. I be lazy man. I be ubewe. Another one don't come. Another one don't come. All of them they cry. Cry yo.
Peppa.
Eh?
Peppa, greet you.
Welcome.
How far, Peppa?
I just see.
Peppa, so even today we be Monday self, you dey here by this time the mumu
You dey crazy, Igbo man, you don't come. Ogun go pay your children. Ogun go pay your children. If Igbo man see your husband don't come, your husband dey cry, your husband dey cry, Igbo man don't come. Igbo man don't come. Ogun go kill your children for your head. Ogun go pay your children for your head. You dey crazy, some go punish you. Or why I go kill you? Igbo man will not get sense. When they married to woman, will get husband for us. Wait, follow my go cemetery. See, you don't see your life.
If I want it, wait, man, tell you.
No, come up here. Get that for you. Get that for you.
If I don't come out to me, I never curse you.
Go tell your wife. The Igbo man don't come. I'm not telling you to go come. Iyore, he don't go. No more begging. I go disgrace all of you. No more begging. I'm not the year begging again. You don't see your husband I console. As he come here, they call me a person when I come out. I want beg. He want beg. Hey, he don't come again. He don't come again. I go bring him. I go bring him. May come again. Traffic go. Traffic come answer him. May Igbo come again. Traffic come answer him.
If I wish Igbo man like society Wales man.
And I can't just understand.
Because of an unnecessary request come up, I beg. Oga, una beg me come back.
Come. Me come answer him. Traffic now want answer. Traffic now want answer you. Not be me. Traffic now want answer you. Come now. So you dey cry for his house. He don't touch you this morning. You dey cry for his house.
This one.
You know, not be this one. Not be this one. Another lady. You know, agree come again. Don't run.
Okay, because I get question one answer. I want answer say me. God, the go bury Iyore husband. You can't go to kiss his wife or something. They go do you.
Come, Igbo man, come again now. If you know the fear, first day we go answer you.
They go do you. Who my husband die? Why you follow and go cemetery where they want bury? You go to kiss her, they touch his breast, they romance her. That means now move down Igbo man.
They are sitting with the Igbo man. They draw the Igbo put for inside toilets. They go draw and put for inside toilets.
Well, why una go draw you go for toilet? You go to knock Iyore for inside room. Why?
For 15 years, he useless Igbo man.
For 15 years.
He useless Igbo man. He get wife for us, so he don't leave his wife. And he children for us. He can't go to stay with this manager of Ashawo of the whole Europe. He can't go to stay with them.
You hear the matter, fellow Nigeria, una dey hear?
He can't go to stay with this manager of Ashawo when they cut bad ministry for Europe.
Igbo man, una that question me come up, so if you know why, if you know
he not come again.
tell me o.
He not come again, go on. He not say, I get voice wey go ask a question.
Because me want answer that word. Why you go comot go the kiss another man wife where they put man for ground? Now let you want to since they do that, they need to give you Guinness Book of Records.
No be now disgrace. Like, now I can't disgrace them with broken English. Now me they run now. I never touch you this morning. Now. You dey run, they come. Where I never touch you. I never swear for you on New Year Day. Go swear for your children because you dey for there. Your manager of Ashawo, Iyore Ogionba, who go early, they curse your children. You not slap her. Now you come to cry. Say this morning, I go fool myself. I go fool myself. Go reach on New Year Day. I go disgrace myself. Go reach on New Year Day. I want scatter them. That is 15th ministry. I want scatter them for one.
Papa, why the man? When you ask this man why bother kiss the person when wife die for mortuary, I be cemetery, I be buried ground.
She no let her come again. She no let her come again. She no let her come.
Why you no answer that word? Or you move my husband down. I want
he escaped me. He escaped me. No verse. He escaped me. He escaped me.
You go to kiss her. You dey do selfie. You dey do video. Like seriously, now you make one question. Oh yeah, bia.
He no go come again. He no go come again. he not go come
No, they
again.
do rubbish nonsense. They waiting they not do to you, they do it to another man because they not be black than white. You know better for now when they get those kind of
15 years. Igbo people, useless Igbo man. So take the man come back. The Oyibo come back. This man come follow and go cemetery. This people na Igbo brother. This thief is Janko Rico. This highway robber. Make una they don't abomination. They follow this Igbo man. They follow Waka. Abomination. They follow this man Igbo man Waka. Igbo man will go to sleep with another man. Why go to stay with him for the same house for 15 years? If they go, the Oyibo, they go to put on west side. They go to lock on west side toilets. He don't leave his wife for house. 3 women I don't born for. I don't leave. They come sit down with this useless manager of Ashawo for Europe. Iyore Oyoba community. Daughter, wait, daughter. Fetus Scandinavia, give me picture of daughter. Ogunga Belivier daughter yao. Ogunga Belivier daughter yao. You are not one of Italy. Ogunga Belivier yao.
Epa toile for you. Imagine where you hear Babala. When my way carries him.
Whoever will not record. Obibo we don't go.
No, Epa. Meanwhile, may you do what in your mind. You know understand? But me and you as a senior man, a lot of people they respect you and a lot of people they look up to you. So me want beg, may you remove their children come on.
But you know go down. As he cost the children, go leave down, go beg. Before we come out.
Epa, let me tell you, Epa, you know why you not go answer that for children? Children matter. You don't know your children, you never feed your children, not being give you energy with they born your children, not being create those children. So no answer them.
Do only the people that they drive them for that ministry now they do. So no, let me do one.
But you they come up to kill. Try me they come up to kill.
Why don't I come on Martin? No, we come out again. Now next year go come up from my
No,
mouth.
go come out if I go come out.
Now next year go come up from my mouth.
You go come out.
Now next year Opa you know next year Okada you know.
No. Where your money, no why working where your money.
Yeah, tiene. Ovina ke fefe won. Ovina ke fefe won.
Ya ti ebo aipa we wazo bo we ai fi pe bi ogomo we wa ogomo we wa akoya da we ari ogomo yo odo jebi na me we we my clear we wa forget ogomo we ja wa gbiyan na.
Okay.
We wa forget.
My country people, as I dey talk they go. As I dey talk they go. Wetin they call this man? We get big platform. We dey to do a word. Make una go call to do a word. They come ho. Mo una come see this Igbo man ho. Canada wa witi no we na. Canada wa witi no we na. Where we here get we have here na. Hello baby. Mo jana mo Bluetooth. Good morning. How you doing? You well? I love you, baby. Yes, I'm on live video. Oh God, when my baby, if you must say the video now at your body, if you hear me, must say that you wear. Okay, on the mommy. Okay, Oma, you're on my queen. Okay, Oma, try my queen. Igbo man. He useless of Igbo man. Useless Igbo man. We go to sleep with another man wife for 15 years. He come follow her there for the roof for 15 years. They go the lock Oyibo for inside toilet. Oyibo, na go hot you wemu. Oyibo na go pay you. Useless Igbo man. Igbo man where they fuck another man wife. Who was who? All of Wahala we. The curse go follow your generation. Now some people go to sleep with your children picking. Oh, I soon where than a word. Doctor, what my bishop doctor go man? Yeah, Zaga ministry in my Zaga. Yeah, Zaga ministry. When Moka the ministry in Wamoka die. Nia Kuli Wawa. Abi mama bege Moka die in Uwa. Na more modo Zaga Nania. More peno Zaga. Fancy me. No just go ella was stand back. Ye top when in here. Anybody know really you do Kuwani. Yeah, what my profile a day, yeah, back my picture a day new year. Is there no for the babies? Ni na you only. Again, I'm a bog beyond. This is what you Mumu Yati wa Yian. Ya, my bog when we be Yania Bienway. Iye ni abien we bog bia ya sapa go di me bog bia ya e de ni ye we ami Iman all let platform when it's a buzzer, ya gbogbo yule. Eya kan gbogbo yule, do gbe kan o je gbe kan. Anya mi ya mo pe, ogo mi ogan no. Mo Atiti. Imaswe ni meji hen. Bianuba, Irigbo, kanu wa ko mekuna komo. When I consider this useless
Zomana, Yausa Tamia, Zomana.
Zomana mana. Tale. Oh, this woman one of the sisters so with this man, they be soon for a place that they call them Hafukasi. They call them Hafukasi. No, be say I know they talk like oh. People see him for this those space. People see him for the world. This is poor man will be tiffy Janko Rico. I will robber. We no say this woman get man for house. Oyibo, he can't leave his wife. This is poor man. This thief can't leave his wife. He can't go to stay with this manager of Ashawo for Europe. This woman wanna see. This girl wanna see is here too. I know whether a girl, whether a woman, I don't know. Lady. He can't run. Go to stay with her for the same house with Oyibo man. This man get evil minds. Not follow this man do business, go thief your money. Not follow and do anything, go thief your money because they're evil. Man, where if you go stay with another one for I see nothing like a husband, I be that. They'll go lock the man for inside toilet.
No, that means Iyore break record now. Unless she don't marry two people for his house when we know.
This one I be person we come to preach for now. This one a person we come to preach for now. This one a person we come to preach for now. Person we married to two husbands, I going to tell you, I say, where Tiwa? Eh?
Epa, no matter what, Iyore not go fit tell me say during this time when take the date to Ibo when I pull two man for us, she not dey participate for 3 songs. So
that's why he say they come up for us. So he get some people where they carry some you both where they see they do. We will want to carry and go their house.
Okay, we go now they go deliver her for delivery man. Deliver Toto. Okay, is a Toto deliver there? Wow.
See, make una share this video. Today, what? About wanna come. I want to announce this Igbo man now. With broken English, I want to describe this Igbo man to the world with broken English. I know they talk like for anything that they do. Now, Regina, they drop one for everybody. Everybody going to see her. I just say when I can't tell you this morning, I they come back again. Can't describe this Igbo man for now. This Igbo man, this woman wanna see here so. This manager of Ashawo, the whole Europe Ashawo manager. We get secretary, Suzuki now be their secretary. We get their national board, their director now be Okpadidi. But I don't get time for all those one now. Now their manager, now I want beat. Their manager now I want to beat manager of Ashawo for Europe. Now I want to disgrace. Now I want to drive at the house. Oh, New Year Day, come beg me. Oh. He come beg me. When I see the video, we come to beg me on New Year Day. He come start again now. One show now, the video, we come to beg me. One show now. Where they cry. Crocodile cry. Like, you want to come to cry, come deceive me. I not grieve for them. You know something a person where I go to follow you, they play, I go to bite you. I know they offend somebody, but if you don't offend me, I go to follow you, they play, I go to chop you. Me and that person, I they tell you now always. If you see all of them for those about space, I not offended. Now they offend me. Now they offend me, but I go to follow them, they play, I go to chop them. So they go there for his house. We have a woman, Martin is settled, no, the man who must settle. We will you not settle at all. If you want me with you settle, you go lead down. I be your papa, you go lead down, say, la, whoa. Now I be saying me with you settle. Not be your telephone coming. I know they do that one. You go lead down, people go see and say you lead down, say, la, whoa. Now I mean, that one I be apology. That one I be apology, if you don't know. So now, Igbo man, when I disgrace Igbo man, disgrace one. Two Igbo man go put me for ground for this live video, wallahi. Not be income just now. No be Igbo.
If I say, I get this account, say, I go check who get this account, I get this account. This user 27 went with 15, I get her. The other one, I say, Igbo guy. And the other one, I get the account. Now, in they do like saying the same moto. The page, because I from the TikTok account, go if you enter a Facebook page, now person when they do like say they post different motos saying the same moto, where the other fake account, 2 fake accounts they here, where the other one went with where the other one might say might go back. You get the other one, that one, see that one, that
you
one.
You don't see a picture for there? You don't see a picture for there?
No, na moto full on.
Oh, dear, that woman, I don't follow a bad moto. You know, I'm ogni opa moto, na wan follow a bad ogni opa moto.
One, the other, say no, the other fake account that be this one a Shibuzo. This one and one fake account. What the other? This one did the other fake account because from that fake account I take go in Facebook. This one that one. Why the other one? Now this one we had 15. I believe say that Iyore husband I get her because the person has also moto when they say different moto more than 200 moto.
No lie. In the Wakita boy na thief na Maradona. As it now I take deceive Iyore say in the same moto. You know say Igbo man, you go call another Igbo man say that my moto na just say
na if you go the account.
Now I take deceive am. So they can't carry Iyore money all you
go bring the moto. May I go bring the company name on. Where may I go bring the name on?
Okay. Go bring am. We will describe it to people. I go describe it to people. Your phone one and people will start. You don't know me, oh. I get people where they go follow me, my brothers and my friends. You don't see the day for you now that they enter everywhere. Give me the name. One publish and make people they run for you. Tiffy, Jan Koriko. Igbo man where they sleep with another man wife for 15 years. So take this Igbo man not fear. He follow one plan video for now. He follow woman. Where husband back. Go cemetery, go the kiss son. Evil man. Wanna wait. Wanna find the video. Wanna wait. You get lucky just now. Say my mama come beg me, say wanna leave you. Wanna leave children for inside. Mama don't come beg me.
Now Tony Otto.
Nine.
Put your account. Nine. Put your account. Why the other one I shit the user?
Nine. They cry now. They don't call them for inside. They were Iyore now. They cry. Say this man doesn't start. Mona see my country people want plan for now. Mona see this Igbo man. I dey come my pay. Mona do it for TikTok. Mona for this thing. Mona wait. Mona wait for TikTok. Mona look on. Mona look on.
Well, they go bury man, they go bury Iyore husband. They go bury Iyore husband.
Una see evil man. Una see Igbo man, I see evil woman for the society.
You know better for you, Iyore.
Una see evil man, I see evil woman for the society, my country people. Make una share the video. When I plan again. Easy.
Bonifi. Ew, Igbo man, they wait me, they give my pecky kissing. Is a kissing day.
Look on.
Show them for Facebook also, show them for YouTube, show them for Tubu.
I go home my Tubu later. This Igbo man wanna see so when I bring a con. TikTok people when I bring a con. When I bring another one, different picture I go to bring. Different picture. When I see this Igbo man so. This onion worry. This thief Jan Koriko.
Onyi beribe.
Una see this woman, this girl, the scene, girl, whether a girl, he get husband for house.
Wait, no vessel, no verse. See, let me explain to you what is your name, Golden Light. You said that the hate of Igbos must lead all you haters to your early grave. 8 father, 8 children, set of people. See, let me tell you, let me explain something to you. You are just a fool. For you to make such comment, you are a fool, you are a tribal somebody, you are a tribal bigot. See, we are not doing tribal issue here. We are trying to let your own brother, your own Igbo brother know what he's doing is not good, okay? So for you to write this, that means you are not educated, you are a fool, you are a twat also, and you are at the same time, you are a prostitute. When I want to use PG to tell you, you're toto the bouquet, you're toto cool. That's why you feel like this kind of rubbish.
He don't beat up. He don't beat up when Can't listen.
You really idiot, good in life. For you to write this thing. Then they tell you, say, man, woman, husband, that they won't go bury, and your brother, they fuck the woman, see go, they play love for cemetery. Are you stupid? Won't they chop food for your belly? Why not you always did bias? Who they talk about Igbos like the saga Igbo? Yeah, you the Chris. You know a lot of Igbo guys will be my friend. When daily basis we they do things together. You they mad. You look us like tribal bigot. You want to write something, you have to understand what they are saying before you start writing. Don't just start writing because you know how to write. You are really foolish, eh? A fire down.
So this my country people make una wakabo na check this video. This Igbo man wanna the see so. This Igbo Biribi. 15 years ago, till last year, till this year, this useless this manager of Ashawo, one of the see where they call Iyore Ogionpa, Ugo Elin, he married to Oyibo. Oyibo were there for the Oyibo there for 65 years when he know the Oyibo. He did for whether 70 or 55 years. Here with this Igbo man come the plan, make the buy the Oyibo, make the collect the property. He can't tell me what they see in Kenya, but when we both said he will all sell on Yahoo. He go read the way Oyibo take buy before he buy. He say he go the treat and bad. So they in with this Igbo man, they go draw the Oyibo follow ground, go put a lock on for side toilets. For the Oyibo house, the Igbo man run leave his wife and his family for house. This Igbo man when I did describe for now, so when I bring another picture for Facebook, when I did see when I bring another picture for Facebook, make una dey see am well because that one dark. Na inside darkness, na dey for carry that one, bring the one we go clear. When I dey see am, Igbo man will be evil. That's why they tell me say Igbo, they take their mama, they chop money from wish. I not quit remember. I not quit remember. I not quit remember. Who be this one? This person will consume. You want to cry? Can't cry. They are talato. Papa, they are talat. Hello. 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 Fear not let you talk. Fear not let you talk. So when I leave you there, me do for there. So my country people make una share the video, make it go viral. May reach where viral dey. If you never press I like your, you don't run by self. If you never press I like your thing for this video, press I like your thing. If you never press our shop, tawa tap, wa yo. To do a note. To do a note. I want to broadcast, I want this video to go viral. I want to tell this small useless Okpo manager of Ashawo for Europe. I want to tell him, say, I took big person. God carry sense put for my head. Also, but I only pretend to you people where we are what's up. My what's up, we pretend we go. You people will take the advantage we go. Okay, it's so funny. Why you like here? So those no take try many. I'm just telling you, no change it jawe. So my people make una share and make go further. Make una share and make go further. Now this is Bob man. Now I want to describe for now. What he do? As he take joint hand with this manager of Ashawo, Okpo Miliki, to take away the bouquet. Toto where the bouquet, we no bouquet. Because where the bridge so no where the drop so is again. Now so the woman official is again. How will not him?
If I put me for big screen, put me for big screen.
Okay.
Put me for big screen. Now this idiot, now I make that comment just now. Now they use that account go the queen, but he put woman for a TikTok account.
You know the shame.
They are golden light.
You know the shame. It is about the Igbo. You know better of the Igbo man.
Now the guy when get the account with this one, he not put picture for your account, but from a TikTok account, we'll go to Facebook, we'll go bring the picture. Can I be this?
Oh, I'm a professor. You see my professor. You see how my professor.
Now the idiot with this one make that comment. Golden
come again now.
Foolish.
If you know the fear, come make comment again now. You see your picture just start to come out now. You see your picture just start to come out now. For your stupid nonsense, you know, best they tell you the truth. See what you and Igbo brother do. Follow woman, go cemetery, go bury a husband, go the kiss him for cemetery. Now, or tell me death, now go buy this boy. You never hear before when I tell you where you go find and tell and say me go do cleansing. The Ojuju where they swear for them, they be half-caste. Now the Ojuju push them. All swayani, you know. Now push the way disgrace the way people don't know. You know, say person over there way if he tell the world what here happens is there. Now me want come narrate to the world. With broken English, I not go speak Edo again. I not go speak Edo again. I'm broken English. I tell the narrator to do I not the word, to do I not. But at Iyore, all my video more kind. Now this book, who know how to write? Who know start to write book? Guinea Book of Records. Guinea Book of Records, now I want rights. I want to tell you the life history of this Igbo man. The way in with Iyore take the buy people for Paris. They do many atrocities with this Igbo man with Iyore. They do many atrocities. That we get one girl when he buy for Paris. Now because of the money, now Iyore with this Igbo man buy that girl. Where did they? I forget the name. Where did they call? When I call person one answer the name. When I call person one answer the name. When they make sure I go the describe one, go the reach out for una. Una go no say no be mamai. Una no say no be wajo. Una no say no the read fast. This one lie not dey here, my country people. People see am, but nobody feel explain it to the world as they happen. I want to explain it to the world now. Hello? Hello? Eh? Did they cry? Did they cry? When I wait when I call person first. When I wait. When I come out for your sis. Hello, on my phone. This boy, I know what
If I put go a link for big screen, may you enter big screen. This boy too small to do your big screen without showing reach.
Okay.
Put yourself big screen. That boy an idiot.
You may not get. Oh, see, when you video the gbe wa wege ni. Again, ni what here? What here? Huh? Okay. Oh, bye-bye. So, this girl, one of the sisters, we married to this Igbo man, so. We get to Igbo for house. They can't get that power Igbo. Go bury Igbo. They in with this Igbo man, they don't buy one girl where they call parts. Because this girl, one of the sisters, now less bam. They see man where they lick bekus. Now so they see woman where they lick bekus. This woman, they lick away, all away. This woman, they see the lick bekus, where they call the priest to una. They tell you and say, holy. Bible don't know how to read. Me will not go school, better pass this woman. We can't they deceive una, can't they mark everybody. If you don't go Cotonou, go Ghana, go do medicine, come back and for body, can't they deceive una? No, I think say he fine for face, but anything not complete for a body. Nipple, he not get for breast. He get one for top of here, he get one for here. 2 nipple 90 for one side of breast. While one, he not get mat of breast. I go to describe this woman to the world. This one when I talk now, not be lie, people witness and move. I try to show na evidence na Igbo people. I just show na evidence.
So if you dey let the general public know now say me Iyore na woman of 3 nipple.
Yes.
Okay, Igbo man, you need to send request come you can confirm this allegation.
You want come, you know say where they make a come. If you want come beg, see if you want come beg, see the action. When they hear your voice, now say I don't bring you come. You see if you let her come again. You see as if you let her come again. It don't keep praise. So my people, as we they talk, they go. Make una share the video. Make it go. I don't go work, but not be woman they feed me. Not be woman put me for house. I don't go work, but not woman not they feed me. Woman not put me for house. Now me they pay my house rent. Now me they feed myself. So if woman put me for house, it go just send me when I go spread bed since. It go just send me when I go wash toilet since. It go just send me when I take Pikin go school. Pikin when I not born, I go take and go school. Eh? Pikin when I not born, I take and go school. Only the single mother when I feel friend, the children don't grow. I dey talk around for time. Say if they did for 2 years, 3 years. If way papa go down the knock for that side, I go there follow come. If you see many of them, tomorrow I'll go down, I'll go show now. You see many of them this morning now. When they take Pikin go school, they pass corner of motor, they go. Oh wait. Eh, Azabo drop a year over. Azabo drop a year over. Useless man. You be stupid man. Where they do that, where they take Pikin follow corner of motor, Pikin where you not born, where papa dey for another place. If papa dey knock Bekus for another place, if they saw you train another man Pikin, the woman they give you useless hope. The woman they give you useless hope. No go plan your life, may you go born your own. May they take your own. The time when you take born your own, you know if you take your own, go school one day. Wait till you follow, you take off another man Pikin, they take and go school. The time when you take born your own, you know go take and go school. Useless man. Where God go hear on a prayer? How God go take you on a prayer with tarnish? You take another man, Pikin they go school. When you don't born your own, nothing take and go school. Nothing a cost to your generation. So, no be that one I come for now. I go to beat you now. Yeah, Wahala. Give my country people to do I not. I beg me to share the video, make it go viral. This video one they see so. This man, this Igbo man go call him because he don't marry to 3 wives for Paris. 3 women don't born for him for Paris. This one now be the side chick. At this woman age for 25 years for Europe, Nana is the 2 side chick. This is poor man. Now man when he can't useless this woman life. When he go use useless and forever. For 14 years, 15 years now, they say they're rich. They say they get money. Igbo man don't put money for your head. If they use them. So they can't go that bad you poor man. They can't squeeze the neck. They go carry Igbo man, or Igbo man, they go look for a side toilet. For the same house where Igbo man get, this Igbo man go to sleep with this woman. The day where the Igbo man buy. The day where the Igbo man buy. This woman, wanna see video with this woman, with this man, take go to the cemetery, go bury the man. Wanna see the video. Wanna see the video. Wanna see the video. When I first command this picture, wanna see her. When I first command this picture, wanna see her. Wanna see her. Wanna wait. When I put my earphone for the case. Wanna see her. Wanna see her.
Iyore, who did you? Who
Una use the person way they talk so. Person way they talk so. Now be a demophy.
Not the same when you play and you put your hand where they're not the same, you bend your hand go on that side.
Okay, one program again.
Morgan. And we don't see her.
You don't see her, they love you, you both say the dog parent. The man with the Igbo man, they loved you, you both say the dog parent. They laugh, say, oh, let me we were. Woman where your husband die, where your husband buy, when they go bury, and they laugh. First, the day when they go bury, and they laugh the man, so. This evil woman for society, we don't like the clap and follow. This evil woman for the society. I want to describe her to una. Ibebe, now they describe her so Ibebe. I want to do the work of Ibebe. I want to do the work. Man, we don't know how to talk. I want to do the work for the society. Make the society see her. Una see her. If this evil man with this woman, they be evil. Una see where they laugh person, where they get that bad. This man with this woman, they be evil person. Una see that they laugh person where they get that bad. Or you both where they love for inside toilets for more than 4 years. 2 weeks, so you both not go bath. You go there for inside toilet. Because the room now 1 room and parlor. The room now 1 room and parlor, not be 3 bedroom room. Just small room and parlor and toilet.
Papi, but this husband and wife when you put for your back, so one a caro white, why one a Vaseline? I big one a caro white, why one a Nivea?
Okay. Now, my country people, make una listen. Wanna see this video. Wanna see this video. Wanna watch them. People will never watch them before. I want to describe this evil man and this evil woman. I want to describe her to the world. They say when person do something, person go there, we go come describe them to the world. Now me they drive them, now me be Messiah of
my
people.
brother, what did they call your name? Lord Ike. The woman is from Edo State, okay? Her name is Iyore. So she's from Edo State. Because you say they say Igboma. And she's from Edo State, and what she has done is not acceptable by we Edo people. That's why you see we are just trying to tell her now what she's doing is really wrong. Okay? So calm down.
My country people. If they want to talk now, they're going to talk like from I say I toast them. The time when I toast them 15 years ago, not be now. Not be 15 years ago.
When you can give a dog, you answer, yeah, Papa, which I'm saying, you know Naka.
That's what they talk on. That's what they call the talk on.
You know Naka.
I Naka.
Not be your head. Your head.
Moi, tell you now, make you share this video now, make it go viral. My country people, wanna share now. Wanna listen you. Wanna see evil woman, evil man. Not be this evil man, papa pao. Not be this evil mama pao. Not be cousin pao. Not be this Iyore Ogionpa, not be papa pa, not be mama pa where they go bury. Man, where they sleep for a chest. He gets spare tire, he get original tire. Ashawo manager of Ashawo for the whole Europe. He gets spare tire, he get original tire. He say, oh, you born a spare tire. He say, oh, Igbo man has the original tire. Now say, tell me. If you want to make me no battery tire, and I say, I was, I want me down. Only what you can do for night, we go come my place. Igbo man go do for his house. We Igbo man go come my place. Go say, I don't go school. I don't say I don't go school. Eki and I mean no say they call and kukuba, but we go come where I did for night. Show me, you go to say, you go to cry, say, show me my baby, show me my baby, show me my baby, show me my baby. I don't know, they're not a baby now, or wake out a baby when you a baby. When I go break on, I don't go collect carry pants come off for inside. You have to go see how we go take swell up, go to say, oh, you boy man, not get this kind of one, oh, you boy not get this kind of one, go to cry. So they can say, you want to come Spain, yeah. When I go rent house for village, I go take a nika or paper, design 1 room. Now I say, If you never go Benin, the cost may lay upon you. That your useless nickel paper no fit dey for inside my house. It no fit dey for inside my house. Because I be traditional man. I know what I'm doing. Let me come run finally finish. Now he can't throw out that bed. The time we can't dance at that bed, they know the one for a woman, not the one for a place. But the one we first do is able to straight in a way. We can't dance at that bed. Now I can't pick race. Say, don't know a government Paris high. A government of Paris saying a crazy woman is there for a document. Well, I say, let me tender my document and make contact that document. I go see my lad for a document or maybe. Crazy woman. That's why if he carry two wife. Now he be their husband. He carry two wife. Igbo man wife. Or Igbo wife. He carry two wife put for house. They say na man they carry two wife put for house. But Iyore carry two man put for house. It can be their husband. So they lock the Oyibo man for inside toilet. One show na one video. One plan make Mona see as the last person where they go bury. As the last person where they go bury. You will be man. You agree me your wife go to follow this kind of person. Destroyer. You will be man. Earlier the better. If you, because of this woman, now you with your wife want to separate where you did for young age now. Where you did for young age now, you have to stop your woman from this evil woman. Where you did for young age, don't be saying you're old. Before you say you want to stop your wife, it's too late that time. You as a woman, you as a man, they talk to you now. This woman, now destroy her, he not born. His life just spoil. Nothing complete for a body. A sage talk to a way. The woman or issue with blood you are not do really. I take get him. He did for 12 years. His mama confess for village. His mama na wink. Wait, they drive his mama come on for village. That's what he tell me. Now wait he tell me. When I tell for Paris, now wait he tell me, say because he knows I be strong man.
If for that matter, I will go investigate her. Because the village will come for that. We guy where they may go try investigate.
Okay. Now they can't drive on. He can't come ring road. At the age of 12 years, he can't beg for ring road na beggar. Right from his childhood na beggar. I see the beg for TikTok today. Now ring road. Now he brought senior brother can't get to small shop for 12 years. Make her come Europe. As he can't change the manager of Ashawo. They cannot pass Morocco route when he come. As they bring and they come picking back for inside Bel Air. As he reach Europe finish, Paris, he go chop Aduro, saying the malad. As the carry reach hospital, since is the malad, picking doctor for inside Bel Air. Now, the doctor where they call Mohammed. For the hospital, the Bissau for inside Paris 18. Now you come out the whoop. As they take out the whoop, come out. Now so a sag get the drop come out for there. Every blessed day. Now sugar pads. Now they put for akara every day. Sugar pads. That's why it is hard. Before a friend man will be a dumb man for inside Europe. It is hard. He said a dumb man to the talk. Now I say a dumb man not the talk. Anything with
the be Nawa Bini people. Waiting be Nawa Bini people. Do you know a lot of things you other tribes are doing? Do you want me to talk when people get do? When my friend
let me talk. I did describe and to do their work.
Train station, he put 2 children for ground, he been to the fuck up for under ground for terminatory station. Not be beneath woman.
So my people,
another tribe.
My people, as I they talk and they go, before that useless comment come.
Okay. Everywhere good, enjoy and sugar.
As they talk and they go, now come, a brother, senior brother, come carry and give sponsor for Ring Road. Now so they come carry and come Europe. As he reach Paris, Piki waiting for Bele Doc by the doctor will carry the womb na Mohammed. For hospital the Bissau for it in Paris. Since then, this guy, as his mama get and win state for village, he can't have 2 of his sister womb. Two of his sister whoop night tie. Evidence is there. I know they talk like evidence is there. Two of his sister never see born to today.